So last episode, we cleaned this thing up all the way inside out and all the way around. This is now gonna be episode 2 where we're doing mechanical stuff. Let me get the light on my face so you can actually see what in the world I'm doing. Hello. Last episode, I mentioned that we have these new wheels that we're gonna be test fitting. We're also gonna be checking the brakes, the rear brakes specifically, because I already did the fronts. And then we're gonna be checking the, spark plugs lastly. So, confirmed on the shopping list from last episode, however, we already have like $1,000 worth of tires, and we also need to buy a new battery because it has low voltage and it won't hold a charge. I mean, it holds a charge to start the car, but you get what I mean. Sadness, lots of money already. But we're not alone in this one. And no, I'm not talking about my dad this time. This is Ernie. And you may be wondering, why is this guy wearing a motorcycle helmet?
Well, to be fair, I have a big dip in my bank account. That's exactly what happened.
And if you guys would like to see the big dip in his bank account, let's go check it out.
This is a 2023 Ninja 400 KRT edition, as you can see.
Fancy.
I guess I'll do a startup just so you guys can hear it.
Let's hear this thing start up real quick.
She sounds pretty.
Yes.
Nice little, she's kind of cold start, but not really cold start.
I don't think they can hear you.
It's okay, you guys don't need to hear me. You can hear the bike. But she sounds great. She sounds good. I love it. Personally, it rides great. It had a little bit of a tipsy fall, but that's okay. We don't worry about it. Don't show him that. Now it's on to the maintenance part, so let's get back in there.
First thing we're gonna do though is close this hood and then check the brakes because he's only able to be here for so long, and yeah, the engine's a little hot right now. I just got home from work. I don't wanna mess with all that right now. That means we have to move all the cars in the garage around.
So we're about to hit a little bit of a segment right here where I record and he moves everything.
Yes. And after a little bit, we have now moved the cars around, and this is the main car in the garage with his bike. So it doesn't get taken for...
Yeah, I don't want it stolen already, dude. I just got it 3 days ago.
Yeah.
Carbon fiber.
Carbon fiber.
But
It's time
for
to take out the Ugga Duggas and take that wheel off to check these rear brake pads.
maybe we shouldn't have put my bike there because how are we gonna get those tires? Oopsies.
Juan, bike move later.
Stay there, phone. Hi, come with me. What you doing there?
Putting it on the crimp weld so we can lift up the car and the back end over her.
Oh snap, we're getting down low.
Down low, yeah.
See.
But I think what we gotta do, now that we got it in position, now we're gonna have to break this torque spec over there.
Over where?
Well, if you understood anything of what I just said, congratulations to you, because I don't think I did. But what I'm saying now is we're going to be taking off these lugs while it's on the ground so that wheel doesn't spin, and then we're going to be putting it up on the jack stand so we can swap these wheels over and check the brakes.
And then, dude, he's struggling over there, Cole.
Also, warning.
4?
The torque bar, torque wrench.
Oh shit, this is brand new.
The screw fell out.
Oh, that's not good.
So last time that we were using it, I was just torquing something down, and I took it off. I was like, okay, cool. And then it just all collapses and like falls apart, literally. Like I'm just holding it over the ground. It's like everything just falls out. I'm like, what?
Okay, so that means you're doing all that and I'm not. Sure, they're 17s, right? No, they're not. Are they?
18s, 19s?
They might be 19s. I'm not gonna hold you, brother. You don't have an 18 or 19 figure, brother.
No?
No, you don't.
How did the car get it off last time?
An 18 would fit perfectly. And he doesn't even have it. I see somebody. I hear that music.
I hear it too. Welcome to the car meet and the bike meet. Bro over here jumping for joy.
I'm cheesing, bro. I wish I could have pulled up yesterday for the little get together.
Zach wasn't there either. Okay, while they're over there playing with each other, I'm gonna get this wheel off.
Hey, we'll leave some for you too.
Okay.
Dumps on it. You said these are new wheels? Oh, you're pushing it on me.
Sorry.
Put, just like pound it. I mean,
Noggin.
back shot.
We got it.
Thank you. You sure that's the crimping point?
Yep, I'm looking at it.
Okay. Well, you have better eyes than me. You have 4. And both of mine don't work.
He just said I have 4 eyes. Off the ground.
Back in the vlog. In the sideways vlog.
You got it under there?
I got you a water. Come here.
What's up, chat?
Welcome back to my car. It's a door. Still a door.
Have you just been pointing at the door the whole time?
Just in case.
You guys want to get some fingers on these lugs?
Oh, I want to.
One thing I don't like about the Volvo, like
They
tire
fall
setup.
off quick. Oh my god, wait, why are they like this?
Exactly. So
Oh my
it's
God.
resting on a center point here. That's why.
What? That's so weird.
But I haven't taken these off yet, so maybe they're rusted on right now from last owner.
Maybe. I'm gonna move.
That would be correct. So what I'm gonna do is
Professional mechanic right here, dude.
that doesn't work.
You're gonna put a little bit of struggle up, huh?
All right, getting a little angry with me.
It's looking like barbecue chicken right now.
How am I gonna do this? I don't want to like knock the car off and stop me. Oh, it's starting to go. It's like a sandcastle. I have to keep hitting it from all the sides.
Oh, you hear it.
Let's not drop the wheel on my leg.
You hear that shit?
It's not.
It's definitely on the roads.
Yeah, it's like way out there.
I might need a change of pants or underwear, both. Playing the wiggle game. You can see it wiggle too. Wiggling. Get up and down. Yes.
Hair just went my way. Here it goes.
Beautiful.
That's not heavy.
God. God. Do I need to get my phone for the flash? Oh, where is my phone? I'm not. Oh. God, I'm the most disorganized person I've ever known myself for.
So this is what it looks like when you have no brakes. Up under.
Oh, there it is. That's
A whole lot of nothing in
a
there.
whole lot of nothing, literally.
Yeah, we're just going to pause this real quick. I thought this was the line here, but it was actually down here. So that's why I thought I had no brakes, but I'm actually good. Yeah, that's my bad. I didn't put it in the video. This was later on. I got it on camera for what will be the next video. So you guys know those brakes are fine. We're not going to blow up, but I still bought new brakes anyway. So you'll see those next video. We go ahead and get to work wire brushing this rotor. All this does is make it to where there's less excess rust on there, making less friction for next time we want to take off the tire. Also, just cleans it up a little bit more so it doesn't look as bad.
We are back out here, and this nerd is laying on the ground, and this nerd is inspecting the Christmas decorations right now.
No.
But yeah, we are just wiping off the rotor right now, just trying to get some more of the rust off. Just that's what we were wire brushing a second ago, because this is what keeps the wheel from coming off and makes it really annoying. But we are now going to try and swap over from this set of wheel over to the new one. Is that one lighter than that one? No?
Doesn't feel like it.
Okay.
Feels a little bit heavier.
A little bit?
Yeah.
All right. So that is our general consensus of if this wheel is heavy or not. The answer is yes. Now the one thing I do like about these, I mean, this is everyone, the center caps, so like just pop them out. And then so I can see directly onto the rotor.
Oh.
Don't worry about that. We just hit the little plastic piece on the inside of the wheel well, so it wasn't anything to worry about. But we just had to lift the car a little bit more because these are 18-inch rims with bigger tires on them, so that just means that it's going to be a little bit taller of a stance as well. But this will pose some problems later on that don't involve clearance.
Start pattern?
Yeah, I'm just getting them in there.
Tighten.
Yes, we need to lower.
And how many Newton meters? 7.
Dang it, we reset it. Okay.
Are you going by Newton meters or foot pounds?
103 foot-pounds.
And from here on out, we're just putting the rest of the tires on to see how they look on the car, check the fitment and all of that. And then this next episode, we will get the brake pads in and get the battery as well. And then we'll be putting those in all at once. So I guess let's cut ahead to let Zach do one of the later ones.
All right. You know what to look for.
Oh yeah, body kit.
No.
Yeah, then when you go in, once you get that crunch, that
means you're destroying your body.
It means your door's.
Yeah, there you go. It's basically
the piece of metal.
Yeah, there you go. And we're gonna be going to the very back one, so it's right here. It looks like. Basically, with the plastic over here.
So not right here.
Yeah, not right there.
So it's
Sure,
technically
that's the bottom.
right
So it's like
in
over
that
here.
spot right here.
Yeah, you got that. Yeah, it is. Now we do want to leave one in there, so I can.
Yeah, leave the top one in there just in case.
You think midgets can swim?
Do you think gnomes can swim?
Well, there's
What
3
about-
tiers to it. There's little people, and there's midgets and dwarves. Like little people, that's just a child, so they can swim. Like they don't count; they're out of the equation. But midgets and dwarves, I don't think they could swim, bro. 100-meter like swim.
But what if
with
they-
a dog and like a
But
dwarf,
what if they have
midget?
what if they have fairy dust?
What if they have what?
Fairy
See,
dust.
but like now I'm thinking like, once they just hit the water, do they just go poof? Like I've never seen a midget swim.
They might grow wings. You never know, dude.
See, that's why I'm like I want to go on like Tinder or Hinge, look for a dwarf, and then
You
take
know
her on
the-
a date swimming.
You know the buoys in the ocean? What if those are the midgets?
All right, is the tire on now?
Yeah.
No, that's just
All just like.
oh, midget inside the ball.
Yes, they're controlling how it's rotating. It's like a hamster in a wheel, but a ball.
So you're telling me the Earth rotates around midgets?
Yes. Oh my gosh, this guy's onto something. Bird poop.
How?
Yesterday was when I recorded that last video. I cleaned it. I'm gonna find that bird.
Hey, bro. Bird is the word, bro.
It's not gonna be a bird anymore.
But now that we've certified that bird's fate, we are about to go on a test drive to see if all of these tires actually fit well and don't scrub against anything and actually, you know, act as tires.
What are we listening for? Rubbing tires. Why are we listening for it? So I know if they work. This might not happen until we go a little bit faster. So I just need to start going the actual road speed and it should start doing it because that's what we did last time. I just heard my turbo, which sounded nice.
Look at all the Christmas lights.
I think it clears. Normally it
I think it
by now.
does. I'm not hearing anything either.
We tried 19s on this, but they were wider tires, so they were 245s by R19.
Damn.
And those
Oh my
ones
God, those
rubbed
brights.
hard.
Oh, dude.
I think it's working.
I think we're in the clear, brother.
Yes.
You having fun back there? Oh, I can see you now. No squeaking, no nothing so far. Only the squeaks from the new tires. That's all I can hear. It sounds good. I heard no squeaking, just the tires. That's it. Heard no rubbing. That's actually great. Ugh.
So now we're gonna go ahead and get some photos with Ernie's new bike, so he can have something to post about.
His
We're also gonna get some of his car and then possibly my car at the same time. And while we're at it, may as well go and get some food.
They're gonna leave me here and go get food without me. Oh, I got my Uber right here. Looking fresh. Oh, my Uber.
Uber for Ernie?
Shit, that's me. Oh, you locked it.
He dropped a bike.
Shut up, don't say that.
So we're gonna give you guys a POV of what happened here. I'm in my car, about to back out. And I'm looking at my reverse camera over here. Hold on, give it a second to boot up. Okay, so he's rolling out over here. Bike in frame.
Let me give him a little playthrough real quick. Now you gotta be more dramatic.
Oh, he wants to do it.
I don't know if this is in view.
Ernie's gonna do it now. Yeah, it is.
I'm holding on, right?
Yeah.
And I just, oh shit, and I rubbed against his car, dude. I don't know, dude.
Yeah, so that's what happened.
Felt great.
Road diarrhea.
What is it?
That was nightmare.
How many hours in a week?
Okay, so we're busting out the camera just to clip me again.
How many hours in a week?
It happened before you start recording.
72 hours in a week.
Ooh, 72 hours in a week.
Was it close enough?
That's not what I said.
So we're lying.
I hope you lose your solitaire match,
So we're lying.
Grandpa.
It was even funnier because it was such a perfect dunk.
I gotta find a spot and we gotta take a picture at least with me on the bike.
There's so many cops. Like,
I mean, we can now, really.
I want a rev limiter so bad right now. I feel like it sounds so good.
it does sound really good.
All right, well, this is where I hit a sign off and pick up with him next time doing probably, I don't know, whatever. Oh, you're doing the brakes. That's right? You're doing the brake. You're doing the rear brakes, no?
Spark plugs next.
Oh, spark plugs, I'm sorry.
That'll be the end of this episode. Then we have to buy the rear brakes and buy the battery, and then we have to install it.
Also
in that.
calipers.
Yeah,
Calipers,
not-
rotors. I'm sorry.
Well, we don't have to buy rotors right now.
Oh, not yet? You sure?
No, I bought front rotors, and I did those already.
What about the back rotors?
Those are fine.
You sure?
Yes.
Why are we lying?
All right. Well, we will see you guys back at the house. Well, specifically me. Them might not be here.
We're deucing out, brothers.
Well, we are back at the house actually a couple days later, and we're not going to do spark plugs in this video. I'm sorry, I don't know. But the reason why is because since it is a couple days later, we have a couple more parts in, and I wanted to go ahead and complete all of that stuff, get it done, and I wanted to keep my timeline in order with the episodes. And you know, I already started recording those other pieces of me installing those things, so yeah, I didn't want to start mismatching a bunch of stuff and make it confusing not only for you guys but for also me in the edit. And yeah, my bad. I should have just kept it all as one thing, but here we are. The video, as of editing it right now, it looks like it's at least 23 minutes long, and you guys might not want to watch a full 30-minute plus long video unless you guys say otherwise. Then I might start making those longer videos with more things happening inside of that video. Just it might take a little bit longer to record, if that's fine. So with that being said, just letting you guys know what's happening in this next video. We will do the spark plugs this next video. We will do the battery changed this next video because we have those parts in. If you guys want to see any of that, now's the perfect time to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell. Let you guys know when that next episode is out, because I will get to editing it as soon as possible after I upload this one. I will see you guys later. Deuces.